May I introduce you to Mr. Cargon? Mr. Cargon, this is John Merrick.
Hello. My name is John Merrick. I'm very pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. How are you feeling today?
I feel much better.
Are you comfortable here?
Everybody's been very kind.
How is your bronchitis?
Oh. Yes.
Mr. Merrick likes the food here, don't you?
Not better than what I'm used to.
Yes, and what was that?
Potatoes.
I understood that you'd been flogged.
I feel much better now.
How do you find Mr. Treves? As a teacher, I mean.
What is it? Feeling very kind.
How long did you and Mr. Treves prepare for this interview?
What is it? Feeling very kind.
Yes, of course, I understand. Well, it's been a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Merrick. Good day to you.